Hey guys, this is an in-shop exclusive. I'm gonna take you with me today when I do this batch here at Earth Fair. I just got the batch. It's a one order batch. One orders paying about 32 bucks. Let's see how many items we got here. There we go. So look at that. Got 38 items, 57 units here at Earth Fair today, guys, and it's for one customer. So we're going to get in here. So I just want to walk you through step by step of how I go with a batch and how I start everything off, and walking you with this, not the whole way through the process, but the main steps of the process. So let's pretend we in the store, because the store is literally right there. Right next to me is the store. So let's see. So let's say we're in the store, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my batch. Boom. As soon as I start my batch, the customer's going to get a notification saying, hey, the batch is being started. Boom. There we go. Got 38 items. It's giving me about 49 minutes to do it. What do I do? So next, right? This is what we're going to do. First thing I do is I'm going to message the customer, right? As you can see, the customer was notified of my shopping already. That I started shopping for their batch. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do my custom greeting as always. Boom. Send it. It's already filled out. I send my custom greeting. Boom. There's my custom greeting. Here we go. I'll give the time for, sometimes a customer responds to it saying, hey, thank you, and whatever. All right, so now we're going to go and shop for the batches. Now, look at this too, guys. Look at the delivery instructions. Always look at the notes the customer has. Hello, please choose medium to smaller size sweet potatoes, free of cuts and spunk spots. Thank you. So by looking at this, I can tell this customer is very specific. Look at this, please. Look, everything is very specific with this customer. Please chew a small butternut squash if possible. Thanks. They spelled squash wrong. I don't know what that is. Wow, even for the peppers, look at this. Hello, choose smaller bell peppers with unwrinkled skin and no marks or blemishes. Wow. Look at this. There's literally a note on almost everything. Very specific. So this tells me that the customer is very specific and very picky about their food. So this is the time for me to show my skills of how I go about things. And hopefully there's something that's out and I could take a picture of and get some response for the customer here. So yeah, the customer is very specific about their produce with a bunch of notes and everything for it. All right, guys. So we're about to go in here and we're about to go shop for this order, guys. Always bag the items, always bag the produce. Make sure the produce is bagged, tied. Looks neat, even for grapes and everything like that also. No replacements yet, so we're just flying through this thing right now. Alright, guys. I can't find an item. And that's a good thing. So that's what we're going to show off our skills today, right? So my customer is looking for organic arugula, right? I can't find it. I don't see it. I see the baby arugula that's in like in the bags and stuff, but I don't see the other one. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in here. We're going to go to can't find item. So the customer wants a refund, right? So it says it wants a refund. I'm gonna message the customer anyways, just to double check, right? So I'm gonna message the customer. Boom, not available. Boom. And then I'm gonna take a picture of the baby arugula and just send it to him. Taking a picture, boom. Sending that to the customer. So let the customer decide they want to, you know, that means I'm showing them, hey, there's other options here. I know you want a refund, but would you like this instead? And then usually it looks like she read it. So usually I get a reply soon and she'll say, oh, probably refund it, or yeah, get that for me. We'll see what happens. So always do that. Even if it says refund only, just send the customer a message. But hey, you sure you want a refund, or is there something else I could get you? And send some pictures. Listen, show value. What makes you different than any other shopper? That's the key. Alright, customer responded back to me. Let's see what the customer said. Let's see. Look at that. So, in the app, and I'll go to it right now, for the organic guava, can't find item, the customer requested a refund. I messaged the customer, sent a picture of something similar. She decided she wanted that similar product instead. What did I do? I saved a portion of my tip, and I also showed value. Because every time you refund something, and the customer basically tip the percentage, you lose part of the tip. So this is actually a little bit more than the original item, so I get a little bump up with the tip. So I saved my tip, and I got a little bump up also, guys. Important. Send those pictures, even if it says refund item. Do you want a replacement? Take a photo, show value, show them that you have that customer service skills, and also you're preserving that tip. Again, this is out of stock. So what we're going to do, can't find item, refund item, but you know, we're going to message the customer, not available, would you like a replacement? And I'm going to send the customer a picture of the shelf down here. Might want to clean my camera. Go. Send that to the customer, and then I'll take another picture of just everything over here too. Send that to the customer also. So now the customer can decide, hey, do I want that or do I want a refund? You want to do these, guys. Remember, you should go into a batch hoping that something is out of stock, that you have to take a photo because it shows your skills, and it will set you from anybody else who automatically refunds it or automatically just give them any other substitution they want to give them. You know what I'm saying? Allows you to show that value. Alright, so my customer doesn't want a replacement for the option that I sent her. So we're going to issue a refund, but we're going to play it like this. I'm going to send him a message. I'm going to send him a message. Okay, I will issue a refund for that item. Letting the customer know that item will be refunded, even though they probably know it, but you just gotta say, okay, I'm just gonna refund it for you. Boom, you refund it. So how you refund something if you don't know, and then you skip that, and then you go to refund item. That's how you refund the item. So, see, this customers, I'm sending them, I had to send like 3 pictures already. Sometimes they forget because I send them like back-to-back photos. So I just ask the customer again, hey, would you like a replacement for the peanut butter? Boom. Make sure you spell their name right and everything. Sometimes they forget. Always show value. Increase tips, higher ratings. I've been a 5-star for the last 4 months. I see all types of batches. Alright guys, just got done with my batch. Had to do a lot of replacements and the customer took forever to respond. Had to do like 9 replacements. I actually had to refund like 2 items also. So, but we're all set to go. We're headed to the car right now. Batch is done. It took longer than expected. It gave me 44 minutes. It took me an hour just because she just took so long to respond. But that's fine. I really think I could raise the tip. She really liked the replacement I chose. She was really communicative in the chat when she was responding. So hopefully, let's see if I get an increased tip or a tip at the door or a letter at the door. We'll see. So now, have another tip for you too. Alright guys, sorry about that. The camera died. Alright, so I'm on my way to drop off for a customer. What I was saying is sometimes if the customer's like 10, 15, 20 minutes away and you got Uber Eats and DoorDash, you turn that on, and if you see something in that direction, you take it before you drop off the Instacart order, because the only way they can really see you on Instacart and start tracking you is once you swipe delivery. But if you go up top to this little I want to show you the address. It will show you the address of the customer, and then you could just click it, and then boom, you got the address, and you can just put that into your GPS and then take a quick Uber Eats and DoorDash real quick. But my customer's 5 minutes away from here, so there's no point in me doing that. So we're just gonna go straight to the customer's house. I got my customer's order packed back here, as you can see. I got some of it in the bag, and also got the water in one bag right there also. So guys, remember, showing value. Show value, guys. Take pictures of those replacements and show these customers why you're different than any of these other Instacart shoppers out here that's just doing stuff. They just shopping. They not even doing that. They just shopping, getting and grabbing anything, grab and go, and they gone. You gotta show them, hey, I'm actually shopping for your family, and I'm gonna make sure you get the best quality stuff for yourself and your family that you need, and I'm gonna provide an excellent customer service, and you're gonna provide that excellent service to get that higher tip and that higher rating. Thanks for riding with me today. We'll do more of these, more in-store action, more in-store shopping action. I'll do that with you guys. Just wanted you to get a peek of how I do things with replacements and how I start the order and how I go about it and stuff like that. This channel is for maximizing our profits so that we can get to the goals we want to, and give you tricks and tools on how to navigate through Instacart and all these other apps here, guys. Thanks for riding with Michael J. Until next time, guys.